Hey guys, good morning. I am hosting today. I woke up late. I wanted to wake up at 7. It's almost 8. I think it's because of all the fatigue and all that. So, I'm hosting today. I have around 20 to 25 guests coming over, adults and kids inclusive. So, I want to prep and set up for them. The why I'm hosting is because it's Ayana's birthday. Basically it's tomorrow, but we're doing it today. We're doing the celebration today. So she told me the kind of birthday setup she wants. Right now she's grown, you know guys, for the past 3 years, 3 years I've been doing her birthdays in school ever since she saw her birthdays in school. So because of the long holiday, she's gone to several birthday parties, and now she was like, I want my birthday to be done at home. So who am I to say no? So I went to check because she told me the kind of birthday party that she wants, and I was checking and making inquiries online, and the kind of quotations I got, my goodness. A quote for decor for 51,000. The cheaper one that I got was 36,000, but according to what she wanted, the quote that I was getting was around 51,000 to 55k. You have not cooked, you have not paid for the venue, so basically the whole budget for the birthday was coming to around 80,000, and the cake is not yet inclusive. I checked the cake was coming to around 8k. Let me send you this. I inquired with the photo of the cake is here that she wanted. So I inquired with one bakery, and they were like, this will be 7,800. Another one was like 7,200 because of all the graphics and all the cartoons that are in there. So I chose a similar a simpler design close to that. She wants a unicorn themed birthday, and I finally got something. So for 80k, I have a project that I'm doing, and I'm not willing to dash out a whole 80,000 of money for a birthday. The project, I know it's my daughter's birthday, yes, but that kind of money would go a long way, and the project is benefiting both me and her. So if you have been here for a minute, you know I am a DIY person. You know that before the first videos I used to do DIYs, so I want to do the whole setup by myself. I'm going to do it, and I'm going to pull it off. So I'm going to insert a photo over here of what she wants, the kind of theme she wants and all that. So I'm going to try and recreate something close to this. I went to shop yesterday, and I got few balloons and all that, and decor and all that. I got them from River Road. Don't ask me about the contact. I didn't take the contact. I was just walking because I've passed there several times and I've seen party stuff. So it's basically behind fire station, along that road, River Road, going down to Tea Room or Odeon something. I'm not very good with directions, but don't ask me for the contact. I don't have the contact. So I got the party supplies yesterday. So right now I want to cook fast, then set up, and I know she's going to enjoy. Yeah, so let's get to working.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know.
So I started with making some chapatis, and this is my simple chapati recipe. I just put sugar, some salt, cooking oil, and the last thing that I add is molten margarine. So I melted this over the cooker, and I mix it up with the whole dough. So after mixing it up, I wrap it in a cling film just to ensure the warmth and the moist doesn't leave the dough. So I'll leave this to rest for a couple of hours, maybe an hour or two, and the chapatis are going to end up being very, very soft. So guys, what I've done, I've removed these ones from the fridge so that they can cool down a bit. so that I can be able to, you know, remove them from the corn. And pineapples, I bought these ones yesterday from the local vendor, and I asked them to peel them for me so that I have an easy job while, you know, prepping. And then I have beetroot over here. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with the beetroot and the pineapples. I'm doing a pineapple beetroot salad. And then the beef is boiling. It was in the freezer. I bought it yesterday, so it's just boiling so that it's ready to cook. The rice is ready. And then over here I want to prep these ones. I removed them from the fridge. This is lukewarm water from the fridge, not from the freezer. I'm mixing up my words, fridge and freezer. So I have a few tomatoes down there, carrots. You see why I like storing my veggies with the Ziploc bags. They're still fresh. I bought these ones on Monday. I am cooking them. This is Saturday and they are still very, very fresh. So if you want a hack for storing your veggies in your fridge, try using the Ziploc bags. And if you have a better hack, comment down below and let us know about it. So let me get to prepping. My dough for chapo is still resting over here, and I want this to rest for about an hour, basically even 2. I have no problem with that. So as I'm going to be done prepping everything, this will be the last thing I'm going to cook, the chapos.
Giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's all I got. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a.
So for my pineapple salad, I first peel the beetroot and put it in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes just to remove the smell of the beetroot. I don't like it. Also, kids don't like it. So when you're making this salad for your children and maybe a few people who don't like the beetroot, you can just put the beetroot in boiling water for 2 minutes just to take away the smell of the beetroot. This doesn't kill the minerals or the nutrients that the beetroot has, so it's safe to do it. So that's what I did for like 2 minutes, and now I've already chopped all the pineapples. I'm going to grate in the beetroot. I used 2 beetroots and 2 packs of sultanas. Just mix it up and your pineapple sultanas recipe is ready. Not sultanas, sorry, it's beetroot. So I'm going to store this in the fridge because it's best served when it's chilled.
So you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, yeah. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could can never be friends. We can never be friends. We can never be friends. We can never. We can never. We can never be friends. You feel a type of way, well that's fantastic. Nothing to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends we're so done. It never ends. We're having fun. Ooh, go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't play the monster. No matter what you tell yourself.
So the decor is done, and almost all the food is ready. I made some French fries for the kids, those who don't like spices, and here is the beef stew and the vegetable rice. So now what I want to get into is now making the chapatis, because anyone who will come in anytime from now and they are hungry, they can have something to eat as they wait for chapos. So now let's get to making the chapatis.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show.